Okay, guys, ladies, take a look at this beautiful limited edition Neo Speedy denim bag. Okay, this is such a highly popular style, highly sought after, and if you look around, if you are lucky enough to find one in this condition, I think you should really pick her up really quick, okay, because she is not going to last. Let me tell you why this is such a beautiful piece, okay. The denim monogram is highly popular at the moment. It's uptrending. If you know anything about the designer label at the moment, the denim series are so hot right at the moment. Everything is going up in terms of the prices. They are going really fast, going really high, okay. And to find one in this condition, it's so difficult at the moment. So this is the new Speedy 30, okay, and she measures about 12 inches in length, 6.5 inches in height, and about 6 inches of depth. So really spacious, perfect if you like your Speedy. She's slightly longer. She's got that longer look because her height is slightly shorter than your Speedy. So she does have that elongated kind of look. Okay, really stunning and unique. Definitely going to be catching attention. Okay, it's going to catch a lots of people's attention when you carry this piece. Okay, and so she is designed to be a hand carry. All right, hand carry only. Of course, you can always attach your own shoulder strap across the base of the handles, and you can always convert her into a shoulder carry or a crossbody carry. Okay, so but she is designed as a arm or hand carry only. Okay, so let's take a look at the condition of this piece. So take a look at the vachetta. Look at how clean that looks, right? Okay, she does have some minor watermark, but really minimal for particularly for this Speedy series. You won't be able to find one as clean as this. Okay, let me show you all around the side, the back. Okay, you can see a little bit of stain there, a bit of stain on the other side. And let me show you the condition of the handles. Okay, minor water stain as well, minor spot marks, but there's no cracking or any major issue with the handle. Okay, and you can take a look at the top as well. Look at how clean that looks. Okay, look at the base. Leather looks really nice and clean as well. Gold zipper pull. It's still shiny, still pretty shiny with hairline scratches. Of course, for a pre-love, you're gonna expect to see some hairline scratches. Okay, and then let me take a look at the bottom as well. Okay, the bottom looks very nice and clean. Corner looks very nice and clean. No tearing, no tears on the fabric. Okay, no distressing. Look at the other corners, looks pretty nice as well, pretty nice. Okay, so she does come with two front pockets, small pockets, and another larger pocket on the front. Really stunning design. Has got a lot of room for you carry you know your small accessories. And even this pocket here is quite large. Actually, you can put your cell phone in there. Let me show you. Okay, you can put your cell phone. Look at that, how convenient it is, right? Put your cell phone in there. And then interior is in that gorgeous saffron yellow color. Look at how nice that is. So she does have one extra pocket on the back of the interior lining as well. So this piece is made in France. Okay, interior is clean. There's really nothing to show. The interior is clean. Okay, just just minor, nothing extraordinary, nothing out of the ordinary. Just normal signs of use on the inside, but no stain or smell. Okay, so this is her. Again, this is a limited edition. Really hard to find one in this condition. So don't wait too long. She's not going to last. All right. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Definitely will answer all the questions. Okay.